Hello friends, welcome to Otica Meditronics company. Today we are going to show you the unboxing of available spare part kit for Littmann stethoscopes. Today you can see we have purchased two types of stethoscope spare part kits, classic 3 and the same used for a cardiology 4. The model number is 40016 for black spare part and 40017 for grey spare part kits. You can see the company is giving you the stethoscope spare part with all possible required. This is the diaphragm, grey color, the adult diaphragm, grey color pediatric diaphragm. This is an empty bell. If you don't want to put the grey pediatric, then you can put this blank ring on the back side of the main spare, as well as you can use this earpieces for the replacement. This is provided by the company, and this is same for the black. Thank you.